this video, let me show you how you can convert the index entries in your InDesign into comments for Google Doc or Microsoft Word, OpenOffice, etc., including the subcategories. I mean the first level, like you can see here, okay, and also the second level. Let me show you here in the InDesign how this is the first level and this is the second level. Then it's very useful for work with many person in a collaborative work like translation, typesetting, edition, etc. Okay, in the beginning I go to use a script. This script you can find here. This is the author of this code. Let me show you in internet. In this website also you can make a donation. Also, I let you know all the files, including the InDesign file and everything is here in this Github if you want to download. Okay, this website, and is here project. Look at the InDesign, id0000131, Word file, etc. Okay, let me show you. Here we go to run the script. Before to do this, let me show you the script. I change this because we want to use OpenOffice, and in OpenOffice the comment in a document is right to use a comment like to in the HTML. Then you can see I use this. That's very important. When you do, don't forget use this white space, because otherwise the word appear with an underline. Then you can do this, and also I close the comment with this. Okay, now I go to run the script, and you can see when I run the script, one important thing that I let you know that I for this example I use a Latin character. The reason is because I had a lot of problem with the Latin character. Then in this example I show you how you can fix also this problem. And then see after run the script how the HTML comment appear, including the index entry. Let me show you. Run the script, and look at that. Appear the HTML comment and also the word in the index, like you can see exactly here. Here, okay. And also, if you go to some subcategory like this, for example, let me highlight. Look at that. This is a subcategory because it's universal, human rights, and also human right. And you can see how when you have an index in the first level, you can see here. But after the separation, the indicator to the second level is this character. You can modify this character in the code using this line. Okay. Then you have here the entry, and you have here the comment. I show you here in the real example. Look at that. It's exactly the same. This is the first level, this is the second level. Okay. Okay, now we are ready to export the document. Go to export, and you need to select the HTML. Okay, you can click on save, and let me show you my panel option. You can do the same. Image, advanced. Okay, I include in the HTML the CSS. This is very important because the editor or translator or whatever, when you are working in Google Doc, for example, they can see the final aspect of the book, but it's optional. You click OK. Okay, now the HTML is ready. Let me show you here in my browser. Okay, you can see here all the comments. Okay. Now we want to open this HTML with OpenOffice. You click on and you find the folder. You can see here I open this document, and you can see here many problems with the Spanish character. Let me fix. Click on the editor code, and here you need to modify this line for this. Okay, you need to change this line, and when you do this, if I change again, you can see all characters are working fine. And now we go to do one change more. We go again to the editor and we go to replace. Let me show you here. We go to replace all of these entries, okay, with the right HTML comment. Let me copy and replace here in edit and final replace, and here I do this, replace all, okay, and I go to do the same with the clause comment. Let me check here. Here, copy, okay, and I write the clause HTML and replace all. Okay, if I click on save, and now like you can see, this is a OpenOffice web, not the OpenOffice writer. Then let me export this HTML file. I need to change the view, if no, it's not working. Okay, let me change the document export to the OpenOffice format. Save, place. Okay, now I can close. You can save. We won't to use anymore. But here you can see our file, and when I open this file with OpenOffice, you can see how it's working very good. All your index entries are converted in comment, okay, and all the Latin characters are working properly. Also, you can you can export to Microsoft Word if you wish. If you click in Save As, Microsoft Word, let me check here. For example, this, you save, and if we go to my Microsoft Word, you can see how all the comments also is working. Okay. And now, for me, the most important thing is work in a collaborate document. Let me open my Google Drive and drag and drop here the file. I take the OpenOffice document, drag and drop, and I say it to my new document, open with Google Doc. Take some second to open because now it's converting into Google Doc format, and now you can see how everything is working very good. Okay. And you can see, for example, in the beginning example, universal declaration is the first level, okay, and human right is my second level in my InDesign document, like you can see here, the first level and the second level. And now you are ready to work with your team, many persons working in the same book.